This here is the weather we want. 25 degrees. Beautiful out, but it's a little bit windy, but can't complain about that. So I just said it was very windy out. And that is the reason why the sea is almost black in front of here. You can see all the debris lying around. Most of it is seaweed, I believe. Looks disgusting. As soon as it gets less windy, the upcoming days this will be less. But there are also some clear parts, like all the way back there. Looks really clear. And I believe towards the right as well. Okay, back at the promenade, and I don't think the black water has something to do with the high amount of rain we had a couple of days ago. It's almost dried up, this bit. Some kids playing in it, I wouldn't recommend that. So for today, I'm gonna take you a little bit on a stroll through along the Levante Beach, the promenade, and then the Mediterranean, showing you guys how Benidorm is looking mid-May. Weather finally turned around. Looks like we're gonna have a full week of sunshine from now on. Today, 25 degrees. Upcoming days will be around 24, 23. Let's hope it'll get a little bit higher, because 25 like it is today. And that's a shade temperature. It is really, really pleasant. Also, please don't forget hitting the like button. It really does help promoting my video. Thank you for that. Plenty of people brought their own chair if you live right up front here on the beach or staying here for a longer period. I definitely can recommend bringing your own one, buying your own. Much cheaper than renting a €6 sunbed each single day. Got the green flag. And yeah, probably the reason why they still use the green is because the waves aren't that tall or anything. And it's mostly just seaweed in the ocean, nothing dangerous or so. It isn't the most pleasant. It'll leave in the upcoming days. They'll wash ashore, they'll clean it up at night. And hopefully we won't see it again. We've got Tiki Beach coming up. And compared to the weekends, it's rather calm now there. Here you can see the people at work. And those light poles that used to be there are all getting replaced on the beach. Much calmer atmosphere today. But still, it's a really popular bar. Got a question a few days ago on Facebook. Are the water cycles are still already out there? Yes, they are. But today they're probably not in use because of the high wind coming towards the beach. That's the reason why all the seaweed, of course, is ashore. But if you will rent one, it'll be really heavy just to get out a little bit on the ocean today. If you want to go out on a boat type of thing, would recommend that one then. And normally, I believe, it isn't coming this close to shore. It's always a little bit further out.
Together, and you have paid. Yeah, then you're going to go, actually.
Let's take a right so we get towards the Mediterranean. Check out how the bars are doing there. There are not many that popular bars like, what is it, like Tiki Beach, but we do have several other ones like the Silver City bar. Let's have a look how crowded those are on just a simple Monday. Something that did really help with the rain is for the flowers and the plants and everything, of course. It all looks nice and green again. Talking about green, Benidorm has installed these small green perks here and there. On the strip there are a few, on the streets towards it and more. But right down here you can see, yeah, it's quite last minute. They still have the old parking space lines in there. And they have the plants. I mean, car won't fit here unless you have a really small one. And just a few people in at Silver City. They still do have the daytime deals. 2 pints of Amstel, $3.50. Little change happened up here. The grill house. They have made this area indoor now. Glazed windows, a roof on top of it, and a big new sign. I don't know if this will work. It was nice that you had a little bit of outdoor space to eat because it was such a huge indoor venue. Time will tell for the summer how filled it will be. As well, please let me know, have you eaten here before? I'm always doubting to go to this one, but I always end up at Country Ribs. On the strip, not on the strip, no, it's right next to Uncle Pat's. They're hard at work over here. Don't know what's coming, probably a new bar. I think it's going to be the new location of Four Jacks. It also could be something completely different. The wine barrel, all gets good liquors over here, and the exchange prices. The Don Pancho Hotel. Looks like some people are about to check in. Just dropped off by Jet2 Holidays. Right in front of the door to start your holiday. Oh man, they're in for a treat. Weather's gonna be lovely around here. Terrace at the bakery. The electronic temperature thingy up here shows, by the way, 27 degrees, and it is hanging in the shade, this one. This morning it was in the sun, and then already it showed 27. Okay, so a new thing coming up across from Uncle Pat's. No, the Four Kings, right down here, the Four Kings. You have this big tower. It's constructed here the last few years, took quite a while before it was finished. And down under here, under their swimming pool and parking garage, right down there are going to be lots of shops and so on. Finally, they have started with the first one. The sign that it is able for rent is removed. The left side is still hanging there, but one has been occupied and they're working on something there. So finally, we'll see that one filled in the upcoming months. Hopefully it'll be a little bit more than just a 24/7 supermarket. We have too many of those. Four Kings. And the brunch box, not that busy in there anymore. It's really a morning rush, they always do. So yeah, that concludes my walk for today. Hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more of my content, upcoming few weeks, it's going to be a little bit less. Right now, my mum and dad are over for a holiday over here, so I like to spend some time with them. Then my auntie and uncle are coming, and then my family-in-law, so I'm quite busy the upcoming weeks even here. If you want to see more, I'm posting lately more on Facebook, because it's much easier to just snap some pictures or some short videos, post them on there, keeps you up to date how Benidorm is going. So be sure to check out my Facebook page, then Benidorm channel, and follow me on there as well. I'm gonna do the update as well by videos like here on YouTube, but the upcoming period is gonna be a little bit less. Spend some quality time with family. Of course, they're all living in the Netherlands, not that much over here. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.